What's up, guys? I'm Jason. It's the Freebird Garage, and today we are finishing up the front fender for the FXR restoration project. That is a mouthful, but we are going to finish that up today in this video. Last video, if you didn't check it out, go check the first part out. And that is me buffing out and getting this dingy, scratched, oxidized front fender back here all together. So that's what we're working on today. I'm going to show you the steps if you didn't see the last video real quick. These are the ones that I worked with down here. So the compound, this 101 here, down to the 205 for medium grit, and then a final polishing glaze for the last swirl remover. Using that as the buffer, the Bauer step pad process through this whole thing. Now, this one, I'm just gonna fast through this part so you guys will see me buff this, and then we're gonna jump to the paint side of things so you guys can see the final product. All right, so let's get to buffing and let's check it out. Buffing's all finished. We're all cleaned up from the best we can. Looking pretty good. The clear coat, I like how it came out. Able to restore most of it, and for being as old it was and as oxidated as it was, pretty happy with the step process the way it came out. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit some of these dings up with some paint. We're gonna clean that up and make it kind of look more complete the best we can with what we got here, what I got here, and my experience. So luckily, since this is black, it's just a standard, no sparkle, just a universal glossy black on here. We can use actually a universal one at your auto parts store. That's what we're gonna use today, help clean up the pieces. Now, I know the real professional way, you probably should sand this whole thing down and then actually have it repainted, but the whole goal is to keep the original paint the best we can, make it look just as it would have, I guess, maybe 20 years ago or so. But we're gonna put this back together, touch up with some paint, and let's get rolling on some of these dings and nicks, get it fixed up. Starting off with these right here, get it cleaned up. Well, after some painting, some little mistakes, some spray paint, it's all finished, buffed out, painted up. Finally, the front fender, and here we go for the final look. Hope you guys like it. Man, look at that shine, back in action. Most of the dings have been covered up. Everything, for the most part, is to my liking. I dig it. Look at that. You can see the reflection of the lights coming down. The paint has came back. Nicks and dings, for the most part, have been covered up. The sides painted back to the original black without the rust sticking through. That looks awesome. I'm pretty stoked about it. I'm glad it came out this way. I think doing this for the first time, heavy learning curves, but overall I think it came out great. From wherever this fender came from in the field, house, warehouse, wherever it stuck out, and the oxidation, restoring it, doing the whole process was definitely worth it, because these things are hard to find. So being able to get it to look to this point, that's awesome. So if this is something, hopefully that helps you guys out. If you've done it to your stuff, looking to do it to stuff, or have not, or thought about it, go do it. Try this stuff out. It works. Just be careful. You can definitely make some mistakes on a nice piece of paint if you don't know what you're doing, just like myself. So, hope this one helped you out at home. If anyone's been watching along, hope you guys enjoyed this. And as always, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press that notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.